when you click approve, right, it's gonna scrape all that data from Facebook and push it to your GoHilevel account. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly on how to do that. Yesterday, I get all of this highly qualified lead coming to my email, purely organic with $0 ad spend and on automation straight to GoHilevel where they get email and SMS nurture. All right, just quickly come to the computer screen here. First of all, guys, you need an active Facebook group. Now, if you're watching this and you don't have a Facebook group yet, make sure you stick until the end of this video. I want to show you how to make your own Facebook group easily and get member in there organically every day. Now, as you can see here, you do need to own a Facebook group or a moderator or an admin for this Facebook group for this to work, okay? So the first thing you do is come to that Facebook group and go to member request, okay? And you need to have a software installed as well. And this is the actual software, guys. It's called Group Vortex, right? And make sure to leave the link to this page underneath this video in the description. So the beautiful thing about the software, guys, is that it is a one-off payment, so there's no monthly subscription. And I can guarantee you that you're gonna make your money back from this one-off payment easily from this group. All you have to do is just watch the demo video, which I'm gonna show you in this video anyway, but you can click buy now and put your card information and make the purchase. After that, they're gonna send you an email on how to install. It is just a Chrome extension, as you can see here, and you click configure. After you download the Chrome extension, make sure that you pin it to the very top. Make sure that you find it, all right, and click on this pin icon, okay? And it will come to the very top of your Chrome extension. And also you can pass this video to your virtual assistant as well if they are the one that's gonna be doing this for you. All right, once after you have the Chrome extension, you hit configuration, and this is the page that you see. So the first thing you do is go to your Facebook group and copy the URL, all right? You can come in here and just copy the URL from your Facebook group, okay? Select here and click copy. All right, real quick here, put paste, and you want to go into your GoHilevel account and get the API. So to do that, guys, you want to come here, right? Go to setting, okay? And go to business profile, right? And then click on this API key, right? Click on this clipboard, and you can see here it's being copied, and then you want to come here and then paste that in there. And then you can assign whatever tag you want it to be. So what the software do is that it's gonna stay on the Chrome extension during the member approval request, and when you click approve, right, it's gonna scrape all that data from Facebook and push it to your GoHilevel account with this tag on it. And you can create a workflow based on that tag. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. So once you have the member approval request page on, you can see here Group Vortex is active, and you can see here the button is either orange or green, okay? So what green means is that they have their information ready for you to create a contact on GoHilevel. Now the one with orange, you still can approve them, but they are not gonna be a contact on your GoHilevel account just because there isn't an email address or phone number there. They need name, phone number, or name and email to actually create an account. So the one thing that you wanna make sure in order for this to work is you wanna navigate to membership question and make sure that you ask them for the email or phone number in one of the question, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do that, okay? When you actually ask a question, you wanna click create, and you wanna write a question with a written answer in place. Now, the one trick that I use to make sure that people enter their email and phone number most of the time is to incentivize the question. For example, if you put in the email, we can send the free course to you. We can send the free bonus to you. Right? What is the best phone number so we can send this bonus to you? So in this case, this is a virtual assistant group that we own. The question that we ask here that we always look for new talent, put in your email below for our job opening update, right? So we'll get like email time to time with application that coming in. So as you can see here, we've got some green and we got some red, and then we get some green, all right? Some people are interested to be a part of our email list, some are not. So we'll treat this just like a landing page. Not everyone's gonna come in and give their email address, but the one that do are highly qualified just because they actually search a keyword on Facebook group and join your group and actually put in their email address. So it's really a qualified lead right here. So let's just show you how the software actually works. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and copy this person name and click approve. Okay. Now wait for the system to kick in, and until you see this notification say this person has been accepted. Then you want to navigate to your GoHilevel account, go to contact, all right, and copy this and paste this person name into the search bar. Okay, you can see here this contact have been added to our GoHilevel account with their name and their email. Now, if you want their phone number, you just have to create a field asking for their phone number. Again, the same principle apply. Make sure that you have an incentive to make them put their phone number down. Now, let's move on to the actual workflow, guys. So what you have to do with the workflow is just to create an automation is when a tag is being added. So this is the tag that you have to originally configure into the group Vortex software. And when that tag is being added, you can add them to whatever workflow step you want. We currently just add them to a workflow, right? A closer job post workflow. But you can definitely send yourself and your team a notification. You can add them to a further tag. You can do so much more with this after they come on to your GoHilevel account. Now, hopefully that makes sense, guys. If you're watching it this far and you're thinking to yourself, I don't have the Facebook group yet, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Now, as you can see here, I have 3 active Facebook groups. Each of them, this one is a virtual assistant, got 3,000 members. This one is our GoHilevel Kickstarter group, got 4.9 thousand. And this one is our social event groups. We got nearly 12,000. Okay, so when I was just starting out, I didn't take any course, I didn't watch any tutorial. I was really procrastinating, like making a Facebook group. You know, I'm thinking to myself, it takes a lot of work. But what you have to do, guys, is just go out there and make one and invite all of your friends from Facebook to join it, and then slowly start posting content, right? And after a month or 2, people will start joining by themselves. You want to get to a stage where the snowball effects start to happen. So that means your Facebook group start to rank higher into the keyword search with the number of posts coming in each day and the number of members coming in each day. That's the 2 variables that will allow your Facebook group to rank higher when someone search a particular keyword. Now, the one thing that you want to keep in mind is that you want to have a proper setup when it comes to your Facebook group. So that means having the keyword that you want to attract people inside the name of your group, having a group cover, having an introduction video, having a proper pin post, having a feature post. All of that good stuff should be really happening in your Facebook group. Now, again, guys, make sure that after this video, you actually go out there and make your own Facebook group, because the longer you take to make it, the harder it is, right? Just start today and invite everyone in your friend into that groups and start posting content regularly. This is it. This is Vico Khang, your GoHilevel ninja. If you like this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, drop a comment, and share this video to another GoHilevel expert. And I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.